welcome to US Classic Muscle Cars. Please enjoy the next video. If you're interested in wheels, please check out Detroit Wires.
All right, I'm Evan, aka Rooster with Rooster Restorations. This is my 1970 Mercury Cougar XR7. My take on what a GT500 should have looked like. Paint you're going to see is iconic silver, black stripe. This is the exact color setup on a 2022 Shelby GT500. All trim has been powder coated gloss black. Under the hood, we have a 351 Cleveland. Originally a 2-barrel car. This motor has been built up, is 30 over. It is a 357 trick flow 225 heads, trick flow ram air intake. This is a build that I actually got from Hot Rodders. And they took this exact same setup, a stock block, and they got it to 597 horse.
There you go, there you go.
So,
and what is yours running at?
That's what we're hoping it is. We haven't gotten to drive it yet. So this is the first time this car has been seen. This just came from my shop here. It's never been on the road, never been driven.
What's the name of your shop?
Rooster Restorations.
There you go, there you go. And where are you guys?
We're in Marengo, Illinois.
Of course you are, of course.
Yeah.
Cool. And then what, and this car is so straight.
Yeah.
Really, really, really straight.
So all the work was done at my shop except for window tints. I don't do window tints.
Right.
So we did from the body up. This car is actually 100% original steel. It's a California car. It was a guy's toy out in California and ended up in Milwaukee in the 80s. Got torn apart in the 80s, never put back together. We found it online, went up to Milwaukee, got it in 3 trailer loads.
There you go.
So
there you go. Look at it. I mean, was it this straight when you got it?
It was in pretty good shape. Car had a little bit of damage on the back quarter panel, but we wanted to keep the car original. So we left and straightened the metal on it so that it could say it is a 100% original metal car.
Right, exactly. That is so nice. And that contrast that you have going on, that's really nice. It's really, really nice.
We got the American Racing 18 by 8s in the front, 18 by 10s in the rear.
There you go. There you go. And what kind
Willwood discs all around.
And what kind of paint is this?
So this is actually a Ford color. It's called Iconic Silver. It is a factory color. Comes on actually a majority of the vehicles in the late 2020s. Let's take a look at the interior.
All right.
So we went ahead and we blacked everything out on the inside, kind of matched the stripe on the exterior. For the inside, most of this is actually all original in terms of the panels and the dash. What is not original is actually the upholstery though. This is a TMI interior. We went ahead and we changed the seat covers front and rear to go with the black leather with the suede inserts.
Sure.
Silver striping to match the exterior. So it's got a little contrast there.
And is it hot in the summer?
Shouldn't be nice and cool. This car is full.
With the tints, right?
With the tints, yeah. With the tints, it should be nice and cool along with all of the thermal insulation that we put on this.
There you go.
So we got Dynamat all around in this car. Roof, floor mats, panels, doors, everything. So this car is fully interior covered with Dynamat. Dynamat is a product for sound and heat. So it's a good barrier for laying before you put the new interior in these vehicles, right? So we went ahead and put it all the way through the floor pans along with actually in the doors and on the roof. We have a really nice sound system in this car. We actually have a sub in the trunk mounted. It's a compact one, so you don't necessarily see it. But with that, with the Dynamat, it does sound really good inside the car. So it's a nice setup, really recommend it. I would put that in any car. And so to ask your question about how we ended up with a Cougar. So Cougar 1970 actually was the first car that I ever built about 15 years ago. It was here at World of Wheels. It was a blue convertible. So I wanted something a little different from a Mustang. This is the sister car to a Mustang, for those that don't know. It's actually the exact same car from the door forward. Doors different, body panels are different, but all the interior parts, all the sheet metal parts, all of that is the exact same. So it is pretty cool. You're able to get some parts from Mustang And like a lot of the upgrades that are on this car, they're Mustang ordered parts. There's not a big taking on Cougar. There's not a lot out there for them. It's a lot of original stuff you can get now, but the aftermarket world's just not there. All right, so at Rooster Restorations, we specialize in paint and body. Paint and body's been in my family since the 1970s. My grandfather actually started a body shop, so I've learned the ins and outs of the techniques of what works and what doesn't work. And, preparation is the key to any good paint job. Getting things straight, blocking, very important, right? A lot of shops might only do 2. We do 4 blockings. We go a little bit further. We're not your highest end show shop, right? We're not doing multi-million-dollar jobs, but we are doing really nice ones. And so all that prep work comes in, and it shows now when the paint is done.
Thanks, Al.
Eat that again.
See, now I'm really... Thanks for watching.